Any link we wanna have, please let me know. I can't do this without phone knowledge.
I wouldn't want you to do that either. Remember, so we still have agency work.
Hear my suggestion. It obviously not him alone I do it. And normally I click at them. So see if you can pull up him phone records and find out who he talk to the most.
The thing is, I might have to link somebody at the agency. I never want to get nobody involved.
Don't worry. I have you upon that one year. But you see why I want you to do the class them with numbers? Because him know how to get in at every back door.
Those are that 2 minutes, bossy. I think I'm gonna like that thought there.
You too? Nobody can talk freely again.
Nah, man. They were close, you know, so put close for your argument.
Alright, you wanna listen to me now. We have bigger fish to fry. Not that what is happening with your mother is not important. But this weapons running thing, we have to get to the bottom of it. And walk on a Spanish town.
You feel like we're going to Spanish town link to the weapons running thing?
Based on the weapons them when me hear say a fire over there, more likely.
Yeah, but I'm not sure another gang warfare and the done them get rid of, you know.
So far it don't sound like a gang. Because we hear say police deal with it.
That's not our concern. The police them will deal with that. Our concern are the weapons where them are used over there. Because when me realize is that them match the one them we get take away the other day.
So that means there's another active channel that them use.
Or they must search for a new channel.
I think if we go link it is and butcher them. So like how them up on the ground, they must have some information about any movements we are going.
Hear what you say. But we might have to link the bigger heads. Ranking and King.
Just make sure, say, when I link them before they go over there. Because if I'm a gang warfare, they might go after the police.
And that wouldn't wise. Because the new commissioner would have go after them.
Bossy, just a think on me I say, what do you think about checking out if Miranda use over this? Because we locked down over Port Royal, you know. I'm gonna think to stop the business.
It worth checking out, you know. Because she claims that she don't want the weapons on the streets of Jamaica. But Jamaica is a port for them pass through.
You believe that?
Yeah. Like how I believe in a unicorn.
Seriously?
No, it makes sense to link Butch and Hitis, because them dep on the ground. Then we find out and make you know if there's new faces or any movements.
Sounds good. So our next move is over there. What going with you and the nurse?
The nurse is good. She back at work, chirpy. She even called me today and said she cook big Sunday dinner.
And she not text it from you. Like, one come over your house every minute.
Nah. After we go down, I tell her some more look time for build back. Plus I tell her I say I come down with a little flow, so I don't want nobody around me if I catch it.
Smart girl. But you need to get something for that flu there though. It not sound good.
I know. I'm a good doctor. And doctor them tell me say I have to eat curry goat and rice. And them tell me say the food are full of pepper. It help with the stuffing nose and make a want juice.
You know say, you look at me I come down with the flow too.